eat and breathe toxic substances every single day, whether we realize it or not. From the air we breathe, the products we use, and the food we eat, even the water we drink, our bodies are constantly being exposed. In fact, studies estimate that the average American consumes about a credit card's worth of plastic every single week. That alone should make us stop and ask, how is our body handling all of this? Your body is working non-stop to protect you. Every day, your liver, kidneys, colon, lymphatic system, and skin are filtering out what doesn't belong. I like to think of it like a bucket. As long as that bucket isn't too full, your body can manage just fine. But over time, as toxins accumulate faster than your body can eliminate them, that bucket starts to overflow. And that's when things can really feel off. Sometimes those signs show up as fatigue, brain fog, inflammation, digestive issues, headaches, or skin problems. And often we label these as a sickness, when in reality, your body may be trying to detox and eliminate toxins through different systems. The symptoms aren't necessarily the problem. They're signals. Your body may be telling you that it could use some support with the toxic overload. This is where Vitazen Plus comes in and why I'm so excited about it. Vitazen Plus was designed to support your body's natural detox pathways, not force them. This isn't a harsh cleanse, a starving protocol, or something that shocks your system. It works with your body, gently supporting your liver, kidneys, and colon so they can do the job they were already designed to do, just more efficiently. One thing I really appreciate about Vitazen Plus is the way it's formulated using a dual chamber capsule. This allows both essential oils and powerful botanical extracts to be combined in one easy-to-take capsule. The essential oil blend includes tangerine, rosemary, geranium, ginger, juniper berry, and cilantro oils that are well known for supporting liver, kidneys, and overall detox pathways. Alongside that, you have targeted botanicals like milk thistle, which is incredible for liver production, and artichoke leaf extract to support bile production and healthy digestion. Having both the essential oils and botanicals working together in one capsule makes detox support not only very effective, but incredibly convenient. No complicated routines, no stacking multiple supplements, just simple daily support that your body can actually use. Detoxing does not mean depriving your body. In fact, your body needs even more support during this time. That's why I always recommend continuing VMG Plus while detoxing. VMG Plus provides the vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and greens your body needs for energy, cellular repair, and balance. Detoxing doesn't replace nutrition. It actually depends upon it. When your body has the nutrients it needs, it's much more willing to release stored toxins and waste. Another important thing to understand is that your body often stores toxins in fat as a protective mechanism. It's your body's way of keeping harmful substances away from vital organs. When you support detoxification properly, your body can release both toxins and excess fat in a healthy way. This is one reason people often notice changes during a well-supported detox. One of the most common detox side effects is diarrhea. It often means your detox pathways are active, but it can also indicate a need for more fiber and probiotics. This is where PB Restore becomes incredibly helpful during a detox. PB Restore supports a healthy gut microbiome, helps restore balance, and can make the detox process much more comfortable. A healthy gut is essential for eliminating toxins efficiently, and PB Restore is an amazing probiotic that helps support that process. I also want to say this clearly. I'm not a fan of extreme detox programs where people barely eat or drink for long periods of time. While an occasional short fast can be very beneficial for your body, it needs food and nutrients for energy, healing, and detoxification. Personally, I recommend a 30-day detox approach where you continue nourishing your body while avoiding things like sugar, dairy, and white flour. This gives your body the space to reset without feeling depleted. During your 30-day cleanse, the goal is to support your body consistently while still giving it the nourishment it needs. Start by taking VMG Plus daily to provide your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and greens it relies on for energy and balance. In the morning, take one Revitazen Plus capsule and one PB Restore probiotic capsule with a meal. As your body begins responding well, you can increase Revitazen Plus to one capsule with a meal in the morning and one capsule with a meal in the evening for added detox support. Throughout the cleanse, focus on nourishing foods and be mindful to avoid dairy, sugar, and white flour, as these slow down the detox process. This approach allows your body to gently release toxins while feeling supported, energized, and well-fed the entire time. I like to do this type of detox every 4 to 6 months, and Revitazen Plus is the foundation of that whole process for me. Revitazen Plus isn't about doing more, it's about supporting what your body is already working hard to do every single day. With the right support in place, your body can do exactly what it was designed to do. Oh, and here's one for you moms out there. If you're looking for natural ways to support your family as well, I've created a free resource called Mom's Guide to Essential Oils, which I've linked for you below. Look in the description. Thank you for being here, for caring about your health, and for choosing to be proactive in a way that most people never will. See you next time.